I guess. Why can't you send it?
Well, since we are working with more than like 40 insurance companies, right? So it would be pretty tough for us to send you the paperwork for all of these insurance carriers. Instead, I'll just go ahead and do shopping for you at all of these insurance carriers to see which one is coming up with the best coverage and with the cheapest rates, and then I can definitely give you all the info. And if you wanted to go for the policy, I'll just send you documents to your doorstep within the next 7 days, and then you can go to the documents, see what's there, and then you can make your mind. Okay?
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, ma'am. So first of all, let me tell you who we are and what we do. So basically, we are appointed with an independent insurance brokerage that is appointed with more than 40 top area insurance companies, and we are licensed in more than 45 states, helping about 2,000 families a year for their whole life insurance. So I'll just go ahead and help you the same way out. First of all, can I have the spelling of your first name?
LA.
That's a beautiful name. I like it. And what's your last name, ma'am? Alrighty, okay. That's a very unique name. I like it. All right. So now the process is pretty simple. A lot of people that I speak with would like to get this coverage either for burial, cremation, or some of them would like to leave something over for their loved ones. So now, what do you reckon if you were to get this policy? What would you like it to do for you? Would you like it to cover your burial? You would like it for your cremation, or you want to leave something behind as a gift of love?
I'm not quite sure, but I don't know. Burial.
It's not a problem. Well, you can just get the policy, and then you can tell your loved ones to do whatever they want to do with the policy, whether they want to use it for your burial expenses, or whether they want to use it for it could be used for like multiple purposes. It's not necessarily for the burial, right? So all right, okay. And you said you are in California, right?
Yes.
Okay, I've got your phone number. It's is this the best callback number in case? Are you still with me, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, I said, what's your number? Is this the best number to reach you back in case we
Yes.
need to? All right, perfect.
Yes.
Okay. All right, I got it. Thank you so much for that. Is it a landline number or is it a cell phone number?
Cell phone.
Cell phone. Okay, okay. So you can receive a text message, right?
Yes.
Alrighty, perfect, perfect. I got it now. And the gentleman you were speaking to told me about your age, but I quite didn't catch that. So can I have your birth date?
Mhm.
Alrighty, okay. Thank you so much for that. Well, you are sounding pretty young for this age. I thought you would be in your earlier 50s, like maybe 52 or 53. What's the secret that you are sounding pretty young?
I don't know.
Alright, okay. So it might be just like good genes, or you might be working out, or there must be something behind it.
Uh, I don't know exactly what you're talking about, but okay.
Alright, not a problem. And which state were you born in?
California.
Alrighty, so you are born and raised in California, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I got it. And do you smoke or you're a non-smoker?
I smoke.
You smoke, right? Okay.
Yes.
Alright, no worries. And now I just want you to understand a little bit about these policies. So these policies are basically whole life insurance policies, which means the policy is gonna never expire on you. The best part about these policies are that the premium won't go up regardless of your health conditions or your age. and the coverage won't get decreased no matter whatever happens to your age or your health conditions. So these policies also have death benefits, a benefit called accelerated death benefit, which means if you were prescribed by your doctor within 90 days, right, expectancy of death, you
Mm.
can use our policy. You can use that policy while you are alive. You can treat your illness with that, or you can just use it to take care of an event of emergency. Now, today I'll promise you for three things here. First, I'll make sure you get a policy today within your affordable budget. Number second, there would be no physical exams or medical exams. And number third, you will have nowhere come to your doorstep to discuss anything with you. I'll be the one doing everything for you on this phone call and will give you your policy number, or I'll permanently close your file and let you go for the rest of your life. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. You're welcome. So now, can I have your height? Like, how tall are you, and how much do you weigh? Perfect.
Mm.
I got it. Alrighty. Well, then you are perfectly healthy, and you have a good body based on your height and your weight. And what's your mailing address where you could receive mails?
What?
What's your mailing address like where you could receive mails or letters?
Okay. Two.
Oakland, California, right?
All right.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that.
Mm.
Okay, alrighty. Let me just put it here in order to make everything in a sequence. Okay.